I come today bearing good news. Do you want to work remotely, but you don't have a laptop? You've been planning to buy, but you've not been able to get a laptop. This video is for you because in this video, I'm going to tell you the kind of jobs you can do. You will work remotely and you don't need a laptop to do these jobs. So if this looks like something you want, stay to the end of this video because after this video, you'll be able to go and apply for these jobs and you'll be able to land these jobs. You work remotely and you can do this all with your smartphone. Let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Queen Valen, a remote job strategist. I help absolute beginners, people without tech background, people with no experience, land their first remote job. And if this looks like you, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing strategies and tips that can help you land remote job and make that money. Let's dive into this video. The first job that you can do from the comfort of your home with your smartphone is virtual assistant job. Virtual assistant job, especially the entry level virtual assistant job, you can use your phone to do these jobs. You do not need to have the expensive laptops and expensive gadgets. If you don't have them, you can do these jobs with your smartphone. Virtual assistant. And the second job you can do with your phone is customer support agent, helping companies around the world, be it in Europe, even in Africa or any parts of the world, communicate with their customers, trying to make inquiries about products, about the companies, and about their services. You can do this kind of jobs remotely, that is from the comfort of your home, and you need just your smartphone to do this kind of jobs. And the next job that you can do with your phone is data analysis basic. Emphasis on the basic because when it comes to the coding part like SQL, Python, you need your laptop. And the next kind of job you can do with your smartphone is social media management. If you're planning to become a social media manager, you do not need expensive gadgets. That your smartphone is enough for you to start. And most of social media management jobs are to be worked remotely. You need to stay at the comfort of your home, manage social media accounts of your clients, and of course, you'll be earning a good money. And you can work for any kind of company, anybody around the world because this is remote job, so you can work from any part of the world, even if you're here in Nigeria or in Africa. And the next kind of job that you can do with your phone, you don't need a laptop, is video editing. If you're a video editor, especially beginners level or intermediate, you need just your phone. Your smartphone is enough for you to edit videos for your clients. You do not need to sit back there and keep waiting to be able to buy that expensive laptop before you can start. You need just your smartphone to be able to edit videos for your clients. So these are the list of jobs you can do. And the next one is voiceover. People are making money daily with voiceovers, voicing over for people over their videos. Some people are not good with that, and some people are good storytellers. That is, you can tell stories over someone else's video. These are the jobs that you can do without the expensive gadgets and without a laptop. You can do these jobs with just your smartphone. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I see you next time, my name is Queen Valen. Bye.